Nice food. Hey, Risha, how are you
Yes,
today?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
By the way, nice shirt.
Thank you.
Tasty. Risha,
Yes.
did you do your homework today?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead and give me some juice, please?
Yes.
Zoe Zebra is talking to her monkey.
Meh.
Thank you very much.
That's good to know. Don't be a kid. Which pet is the best? Dr. Hamster. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh,
And see,
Yes, Risha.
you're beautiful today.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Stephen, what does he do? He looks like a snake. Amazing. Oh, what kind of animal is this?
Why are you in front of me?
Does he have a name?
You want some of my food?
Yes.
An elephant is
Get up and go.
plot.
What does he?
Yummy food.
Oh, who's next?
Risha, did you just fart?
Upside down.
No?
No.
He's asleep. Oh,
So why you run away if you didn't fart?
lovely.
Nothing.
You laughing and you say you didn't fart?
Now's the time.
Go and watch this for me.
No. Wash it yourself. Stingy and sick.
Risha, you did this to me? Hey.
Yes, because you don't let it get food. You just blah blah blah. Isha, give me this. Isha, what is that? Yeah, Isha. Ask your mother. Ask